let's talk about oil. We will be talking about Iran in a little bit. We didn't talk about Iran yet. But what price of oil becomes dangerous for stocks?
I know a lot of people are talking about $80. That isn't the
Mm.
number. The number is $93.50. If we get to that level, it will start to have some negative effects in the economy. I know people have been asking about an oil trade and how do I play oil futures. It's too late. But set an alert if we get to 93.50, it will give you a reason to be concerned about how stocks are going to perform, how the economy is going to go. The higher the oil prices, usually the worse the economy does. So 80 is not that, like, it's like a snooze alarm. It's the first alarm to put on, but
Sure.
it's not the real level. $93.50 is a real level that you need to worry about. If we get there, you will have some pushback and contraction in the market long term.
Yo, that's crazy. You had 90. I was going higher. I was going higher.
Okay.
I had it at between 110 and 120 based
Okay.
on the historical data. If you look at
Yeah, we
any
get to
recession that's
110,
tied to
120.
oil, 73 oil embargo, 79 Iranian revolution, in 2008 oil was at $147. In
Mhm.
2022 we were at 130, although it was short lived. Remember that one month we had crude that was that was crazy.
It was
But
negative. Yep.
yeah. So like 110 to 120, that's cautionary. That's red flag. That means gas prices will be surging, right?
Yeah.
Consumer spending will fall. Inflation will be the conversation in that time. And most importantly, and this is important, and this is why I'm bullish in 2026, and I was in 2025. Corporate earnings will start to fall because their
If
margins
they get
will
above that
start
level,
if they get above that level.
oh, for sure. Oh, yeah.
Corporate earnings. And so if you looked every earnings, if you look, I mean, I think in 2025, 79% of the S&P had positive earnings growth for the
Mhm.
year, right? We're off to a pretty similar start. I know stocks have pulled back and companies have pulled back, but if you look at their earnings growth, they're still making money. We
Mhm.
start seeing oil in those levels, that changes, and that's dangerous, right? And those are the things we can't control. Like when we foresee these things, we can't control that, right? Those having a conflict, starting a war, that's we can't, right? We don't have a say in that, right?
But we knew it was gonna come because he was like war-heavy president, and once you
Yeah,
have investment in Halliburton, Palantir,
right.
and NLC, you know he's gonna lean and use that, especially as some
Well,
information has come out.
yeah. I mean, even if you follow the chessboard, right? Like
Yeah.
Venezuela, what did we take from them? Iran, what do they have that can help contribute to what we took from Venezuela?
Yep.
Allegedly. The writing is there. But if we get to, like I said, if we get to those
Mhm.
levels, 110, 120, that's yeah,
It's
we,
gonna
we,
be
we
painful.
gotta we gotta be mindful. And then we start to see maybe the VIX spike. Again, we talked about the VIX and RSI last week. VIX
Mhm.
starts and it got up to 25 today, dropped back down. But if it starts getting in that 25, 30 range, okay. Okay.
Someone
So
asked,
that
"Can I tell why I came up with the number of 93.50?" If you get your tickets to InvestFest and I do a presentation, I will tell you why those levels are so important. Go to investfest.com. See you there. No.
Investfest.com. Black tie there. VIP night black tie this year. Um, okay. Let's talk about hit the like button and share. We will be talking about Iran shortly.
Mhm.
Very shortly.